Hi everybody, Doug at Jammin Auto and Tire, and today we're looking at a 2016 Transit 250, and customers' complaint is the window will not go down or it's messed up or something. And one of the things I want to talk about is, we charge $220 to take a look at a check engine light. Now, a lot of times, or a diagnosis type thing. Now, a lot of times we can take money off of that, and this might be one of those situations because we've seen this on another one. But what we do is when we charge people, we don't just pull a code, we actually pull wiring diagrams and look and see, and we study what's going on. And what we found on this vehicle is water will run down these right down here, and they'll get inside this connector. This rubber thing is designed to keep water out of these wires, but apparently it doesn't work. So the water pools down in this elbow, and then what we found is 3 broken wires that need to be repaired. Now, unfortunately, because one of these wires going into the door is for an airbag, you cannot fix airbag wiring. So we will have to replace this connector all the way inside the door. I have to do the whole wiring harness inside this door. We have a saying around here at Jammin Auto: we didn't build this car, we didn't break this car, we didn't buy this car. We're just trying to figure out, what's going on. We're just the ones trying to fix it. So once again, broken wires inside this harness that will need to be replaced, all because of water intrusion. And once again, I want you to understand that we go out and we pull wiring diagrams, and we know what we're doing when it comes time to figure out where these wires go and how everything works inside the door.